Hello guys, how to reset Cortana search app on Windows 11 and Windows 10. If your Cortana search app not working properly on your system, then you can repair or reset it. To do so, right click on a start button and choose settings. Here, click on apps from the left side of setting page. Thereafter go to right side and at the top of the page, click on installed apps and here look for Cortana app on the search field. Type here and Cortana app appear. Click on three horizontal dot against this app and choose advanced options. Click on it. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option reset. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair, and if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. This is the important, the app's data will be deleted. Select reset and choose reset again. Finally, your Cortana app will successfully reset on your Windows 11 and 10 system. That's all.